Hello, in this video we will see the map function, and with the help of two simple examples I will explain you how to use the map function. So what is a map function? First of all, it's a built-in function and it is used to, suppose you want to apply some function onto each and every element of iterable, that time you can use a map function. Now how to use the map function? The syntax to use the map function is it requires the two parameter. First one is a function name and second one is the name of the iterable on which you want to apply that function. So this map function returns the map object. So you have to convert that object into the any iterable like a list, tuple or set. So with the help of these two examples, I will tell you how to use the map function. Now as I said, for this map function, it requires the two parameter. First one is a function and second one is a name of the iterable. So iterable will be like a list, tuple, set. So first of all, I will declare one iterable. Suppose L1 is a list which contains three elements like 10, 20, 30. You can add any elements, whatever you want. Now, as I said, for the map function, iterable is one of the parameters. So I have written here L1. Now what about function? For the function, you can use the simple function as well as lambda function as a parameter. So what is the meaning of the lambda function? I have already uploaded the video regarding the lambda function. You can check out that video. Now here I will just tell you how to use the lambda function. So lambda is a keyword is used to declare that lambda. After that I will write down x plus 10. Consider I want to add the 10 value into the each and every element of this list. So this is a way I can use this lambda function. Now what it will does, it will take one value from this list. So 10 value they will pick up, they will add the 10 value into that. After that they will pick up the second value, they will add the 10 value. Like that they will add the 10 value into the each and every element of the list. Now here there is a three values present into the list. So result, whatever result you will get through the map function, again you will get the three values. It means again you will get the iterable. So you have to convert this into the one of the iterable. You can use a list, tuple, whatever you want here. So what I said, whatever result you will get through the map function, convert that result into the list format. Now here I will write down L2. What is the meaning of this? Your result going to be stored into the list L2. So to check out the result, you have to print the list L2. Now I will execute the code and I will show you the output of this. So you are able to see they have added the 10 value into the each and every element of the list. See, as I said, you can convert this into tuple as well, set as well. So instead of list, suppose you have written here tuple, and if I execute, you are able to see the round bracket. It means they have converted that result into the tuple. Previously we have converted into the list. So because of that they are using the square bracket to show the output. Now as I said, for this map function we can use the function lambda function as well as normal function. Now I will just tell you how to use the normal function instead of lambda. So for this, first of all you need to declare the function. So def is a keyword to you can say declare the function. Consider inc is the name of the function. You can give any name for your function, and after that I have written x plus 10, and consider you are passing one value to this function. So x value I am passing. So what is the meaning of this? This inc is one of the function. It takes one argument and I am just adding 10 value into that argument. So here I will just need to write down inc. Remember that you have to use only name of the function. Don't use the opening closing bracket. Don't pass anything. It will give you the error. So you need to write down only name of the function. So this is the way, instead of lambda function, if you want to use the normal function, just write down the name of the function. Now what will happen? They will pick up one value from the list. They will pass that value to this function, and this function return me the 10 value, which 10 value will be added into that x. So again it will pick up the second value. Like that it is going to be work, and they will add the 10 value into the each and every element of the list. Now again this result you will get the collection of values that are going to be converted into the tuple. Now if I execute code right now, again it worked fine. It is they have added the 10 value into the each and every element of your list. So this is a way you can use the normal function as well. Now I will give you the one more example how to use the map function. Second example is finding the square. Okay, consider you have created one list. L1 is a list. You can give any name for your list. L1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements of the list. Now I just want to find out the square of each and every element which is present into the list, and I want to store into the another list, consider L2. So for this what I will do, I will use the map function. So how to use the map function? Use the map, and you need to pass the two arguments for this map function. One will be the name of the function or lambda function you can use. Consider I am using the lambda function, lambda. So I will say that for this one argument will be passed and they will do the square of that particular element. So like that I will use the function. Now I will write down here L1. So what is the meaning of this? Pick up one value from the list L1 and find out the square of that value. Means that first value will be considered as x. After that second value will be considered as x. So like that they will calculate the square of each and every element. Now I will say that convert this result into the list. So you have to convert it, and here I will just write down L2. So what is the meaning of this? Whatever result you will get, convert that into the list format and store it into the variable L2. So L2 is another list name. So after that, to check out the result, you will say that print L2. Now if I execute the code, you are able to see they have find out the square of each and every element which is present into the list. Now consider instead of lambda function you want to write down normal function here. So I will delete this. First of all, you need to declare that function. I will use the def keyword. After that, suppose sq is a name of the function. You can give any name for this function. I will pass one value to this function and they will return me the square of that x. So x multiplied by x I need to write down. So I will pass the x, they will return me the square of that x. Now here I will just write down only sq. Means sq is a function that is going to be applied onto the each and every element which is present into the L1. Now this result will be stored into the L2 and I will print the L2. Now you are able to see they have displayed the output. So this is the way I can use the map function. I hope you understand the map functions. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.